So let's go to our next loop, that is while loop. I told you while loop is used when we don't know how many times our loop will be executed. Okay, we don't know the predefined number of times our loop will be executed. So in that scenario we use while loop. Here let us define an integer value, that is int a, that will be equal to 0. We define and declare the value here, so don't get confused. When I'm using int a, that means I declared the value. Now I'm defining it. What is the value of a? That is equal to 0 in the beginning. Now we are using while loop. In while loop there will be here condition, that is simply condition, and come back here like this. So this will be the place where we'll be printing the statement. So this is the prototype of this while loop. Here now we'll print a condition. Okay, while a is not equal to 5, that means I'm giving it a condition that while a is not equal to 5, till the time a is not equal to 5, what our loop should does, it should print out this statement, that is AAKASH is using ANDL. That's it. Sorry, that's it. Now it will return with a value 0 after the successful execution. So this is our program. Here you can see the loop will be executed till the value of a is not equal to 5. We don't know when will be the condition violated, so in that scenario we are using while. So our value should be printed 5 times, because 0 1 2 3 4, as we are incrementing the value of a after one execution. When in the beginning a equal to 0, 0 is not equal to 5, true. Now it will print the value here. Now a will be incremented, that is now value of a equal to 1. 1 is not equal to 5, true. Condition increase till now a condition will come where value of a incremented to 5. 5 is not equal to 5, false, condition is violated. Now it will pass the control to return with a value 0. Okay, now save it, compile it, and run it. Here you can see it is printing the value 5 times. This is all about loops, how we can use loops, manipulators in our program. What is the difference between for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and these are the control structure that is so important in our C++ programming. You can use these concepts to create anything responsive, anything in UI mode, that I will teach you in our later tutorial. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment below. Thank you. We'll meet in the next section. Thank you so much.